Howdy. So can you weld on solar? Absolutely, yes you can if it's a nice blue sky day. So when the conditions are right, and you got a nice blue sky. What do we got? It's 12:30 in the afternoon. The batteries are full a while ago. 56. So let's run a couple beads. I'll show you what they look like, and then I'll run it so you can see what the inverter's doing. So it's just one of those little yeswelders with some CO2. Bead there. A little lumpy. It's 030. I think I'm set to 135. Oh no, 130, 19.2. So you know what, I don't even get to see this myself. Let's bring that in a bit. And I'll set this to that's showing watts there. All right, so what am I welding? Well, that little frame, that is going to be the stand that this is going to sit on. So it's going to go a foot in the ground. I'll level up a spot. Let me turn off this noise here. Sink these legs into the ground. Those will be flush to the ground. The heat pump will sit up on top. We just got to finish welding it, drill the holes, shove it in the ground. So depending on where you are, I mean, we haven't got a lot of snow here in the last 20 years. I'm not expecting it this year, but we might get a little more, you never know. So I'm not going to put this on a slope side in case snow comes off the roof and falls down on top of it. I'm actually going to mount it right up, the indoor unit right up above that shelf. Just pin it up there, put a piece of plywood between the horizontal. I gotta clean up this scabby mess here. So that's the project for the day. Get that cleaned up. Get the frame done, get it positioned, get my plywood up. We'll see how far we get. Get this thing mounted. And yeah, obviously, like I was saying in a previous video, 7 of those panels are going to be strung in one series. Trench those lines in. Put some MC4 connectors on the ends. Plug them right in. Obviously got to run the wiring from the indoor unit, get all that connected up. And we'll see how this goes. So that's the project for today. We'll see how far we get, and I'll catch up with you later and show you where we're at. Bye for now.